If you want to get started in real estate investing and you want to know how do I get started in real estate investing, who do I talk to, I'm going to show you where you can go to meet all the top real estate investors in your market. Dang, that might still work. That was close.
Yeah, it was close.
I'm going to cover the two main places that every investor should start to get to know the main players in their area and to help build their team. You'll get to know contractors at these places I'm going to show you. You'll get to know real estate agents. You get to know wholesalers, which are people that bring you properties that you can buy. You'll get to know everybody you need to know just at these two places. And the funny thing is, not that many people who aren't investing in real estate know about them. So let's get going. Before we get going, I want to quickly tell you about a comment challenge we have going on. This is a challenge that we have that we are giving away a $10,000 value just for commenting on our videos. Because guess what? The YouTube algorithm, can't even say that word, but that's okay. I don't understand it either. That algorithm really weights comments and interaction. So I do this every single week. I try to put as much free value as I can. I'm out here sweating my butt off trying to put a good video for you guys. So if you could please just comment on this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and give us a like. So if you comment, you will be put in a virtual hat. At the end of the year, this is mid-2020, at the end of 2020, we're gonna draw a name out of that hat, and we're gonna give that person, whether they're local or around the country, we're gonna give them virtual or in-person access to our team for an entire day. That's a $10,000 value. If you wanna talk about wholesaling, property management, rehabbing, whatever you wanna talk about in the real estate investing space, you're gonna have access to our entire team for a full day, and we're gonna spend that entire day growing your business. All right, on to the video. First place that you can go, and the easiest place you can go, whether you're an introvert or an extrovert, because I know there's both types out there, is Facebook. Now that might not blow your mind, but if you don't know where to go on Facebook, you won't know where to look. So go to groups. There's two different sections in Facebook besides, your normal page and your friends. There's groups and there's pages. So go to groups. It's that little icon, the little circle icon with 3 or 4 little heads. So go to groups, and no matter what your market you're in, if you're in Cincinnati, for example, type in real estate investing groups or real estate investing clubs, and I promise you there's several that will pop up. Just here in St. Louis, there's 5 or 6, and they have between 5,000 and 10,000 people in them. And all those people are real estate investors or want to be real estate investors or contractors or wholesalers or real estate agents, anybody in the real estate investing space. This is a place where you can go from your couch in your underwear on your laptop and talk to and be in front of thousands of other real estate investors. It's free. It's extremely powerful. You can look up anything you want. If you want to know where you can find a hard money lending source, which is a lending source to do your initial purchasing, just type in that group after you join it. Where do I find hard money lenders? And I promise you there'll be 5 or 10 different people that comment within an hour of what the top hard money lenders are in the area. If you want a good roofer, type in looking for a good roofer for a project, and there will be several roofers and other investors who have roofers that they like to use and they want to push out their services. They will comment there. So almost any question you can have will be answered just in this group, because in that group there's, like I said, there's newbie real estate investors and there's the most seasoned real estate investors in your market in that group, because also in that group they shop properties. So all investors that want to buy properties keep their eyes on that group, because there's probably 10 or 15 properties a day that get shopped on that group. Tip, they're not all deals, so make sure to do your due diligence, but there are deals on there. We've bought dozens of deals from those Facebook groups, especially if you're an end buyer. But you can buy several houses a year from this group, and you can meet all the contractors you need to meet just by joining your local real estate investing Facebook group. The second place you can go to meet all the people that you need to know to get into real estate investing is local meetups. Now, if you're an extrovert, you're gonna love this. If you're an introvert, I don't care. You need to get out of your comfort zone. You need to take the steps. If you really want to create generational wealth or even just financial security through real estate, you need to get out of your comfort zone, and this is a great place for you to start. So, what are these local meetup groups? You can usually find them on Facebook in those groups I just talked about. You can type, you can ask the question, what are our local meetups? Where are they? When are they? People will comment on that. But you can go to meetup.com. And when you go to meetup.com, it'll ask you to search what you're searching for, and then it'll say location. So put in your location if it already doesn't have it in there, and then type in real estate investing meetup or real estate investing club. And then you'll see probably in the next 3 to 4 weeks what clubs are on there, because if they're a decent sized club, they're going to be on Meetup. So you can see what they are, where they are. Most of them are free for first time people. If not, they're usually 10 or 20 bucks to drop in. Ours is free for first time attendees, and we also even pay for dinner for them, and there's a cash bar. So they're a lot of fun. And if you're a new investor, they're definitely a place you can go. You can get in front of most of those same people you can in those Facebook groups that I talked about, where you're in front of 5,000, 10,000 people. This, you're more likely to be in front of 50 to 200 people, but these are people that are out there actually doing it. They're not just on Facebook, they're out there actually getting their name out, putting their face out, and that tells you that they are more committed and potentially more willing to help, or potentially have products that you can use. Most of these clubs have sponsors and people that they use that pay them a little bit of money every month to have their name either on banners or on the PowerPoint presentation that the presenter gives. So then you know who these people that are putting on the meetup clubs use. It's a great way to vet good contractors or good just industry people. Whether you're an introvert or an extrovert, if you walk into these groups, it can be a little overwhelming. You're gonna be walking into a big room with chairs and a big screen where someone's about to give a presentation. So don't just hide in the corner. That's not the point of going. Make sure to seek out the people that are giving on the actual show or the people that are hosting the meetup. Go talk to them. They're probably wearing a different colored shirt or have a name tag that says who they are, or a lanyard or something like that that says that they're the ones putting on the show. And the reason they're putting on the show is because they want new investors like you to come to the club. So they'll be more than happy to help. Ask them, tell them what you're looking for. Say, I'm new to real estate, I want to get into rentals, I want to get into flips, I want to get into wholesaling. They will point you in the right direction. They will say, go talk to him, go talk to her, and they will point you in the right direction of people that are looking for people like you to help get started investing in real estate. So that may have sounded simple, but I promise just those two sources can give you endless deals, endless contractors, endless insurance agent. They can fill up your real estate investing Rolodex just by utilizing those two sources. I can't stress how extremely powerful those two sources are. So if you got anything out of this video, please click on the link above. This is a video that Lucas and I put together. It goes into a lot of detail about a lot of things. It's a long video, but it shows you every single thing you need to do to buy your first rental property. We talk about from A to Z, what you need to do, where do you need to go, who finds the deals, who funds the deals, what do you do with the deal after you buy it, how do you rehab it. Just some quick examples of things we go into that video. So that video is extremely powerful. Make sure to check it out. If you got anything out of this video, please hit the subscribe button, like the video, smash that like button, and comment as well. We have that comment challenge I talked about earlier, so you can get a ton of value out of that. And ask us questions. I'm the one that reads the comment. I'm the ones that respond, so I'll do my best to help you out anything I can. Don't forget to subscribe. Amazon truck went by. It's the first time I've ever seen it go by and not stop at my house and put a package on.